Dialectical materialism, based on the writings of Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, emphasizes the significance of real-world conditions and the existence of conflicts within social relations, such as class struggles and economic interactions. This philosophy focuses on the idea that everything contains opposing forces, which lead to mutual development. For instance, the transition from water to steam showcases how even small quantitative changes can result in a qualitative transformation. Engels suggested that the evolution of the natural world leads to the emergence of new human qualities and existence levels, governed by fundamental laws of matter and motion. Different interpretations of Marxist dialectics emerged in the 20th century, with figures like Lenin and Trotsky shaping the doctrines of Leninism. The term dialectical materialism was first coined by Joseph Dietzken in 1887, emphasizing the synthesis of contradictions in material phenomena. Marx and Engels, initially influenced by Hegelian philosophy, later developed their own materialist perspectives after finding Hegelian ideas too abstract for explaining social injustices. They believed that socioeconomic interactions shape societal realities and that alienation from economic autonomy is a significant issue. Marx's famous quote, "The philosophers have only interpreted the world in various ways." The point, however, is to change it encapsulates the essence of dialectical materialism as closely related to historical materialism, stressing the need for practical changes. Dialectical materialism, a branch of materialism, asserts the priority of the material world over thoughts, highlighting the interconnectedness of all phenomena and the development according to natural laws. Marx critiqued classical materialism as another form of idealism, promoting the idea that the world exists independently of human perception and consciousness. Despite being influenced by Feuerbach's materialism, Marx rejected it as inconsistent. Engels' writings further solidified the principles of dialectical materialism, laying the foundation for its development in the philosophical realm. Dialectical materialism, extolled by Marx, involves an exploration of interconnectedness and transformation within social and natural phenomena. While Hegel and Marx agreed on the importance of unity and conflict of opposites, Marx diverged by focusing on the material world and economic activities rather than Hegel's emphasis on ideas. Marx's historical materialism posits that human history unfolds through systemic processes, notably the analysis of capitalist structures and development. Engels broadened the dialectical approach to encompass the natural world, stressing interconnectedness and evolution in science. The laws of dialectics, elucidated by Engels, encompass the unity and conflict of opposites, the shift from quantitative to qualitative changes, and the negation of the negation. Lenin, influenced by Hegel, pinpointed the intersection of contradictions and development in logic, denouncing incursions of idealism into dialectical materialism. Lenin defended dialectical materialism against emerging challenges in physics, asserting the enduring essence of matter as an objective reality existing independently of the mind. In grappling to separate viable materialism from outmoded views, Lenin proposed a philosophical framework aligning with advances in scientific understanding. Dialectical materialism, as expounded by various theorists such as Leon Trotsky, Georgy Lukács, and Slavoj Žižek, focuses on the relationship between matter, time, and space in human existence. The essence lies in understanding the interconnectedness of these elements to enhance human life and elevate society to a heightened state. The core principle involves the conscious manipulation of material reality to align with human needs and aspirations. For Trotsky, the struggle to overcome space and time is paramount to achieving progress and enriching life. Through scientific socialism, dialectics is considered a vital tool to comprehend societal structures and the class dynamics within them. Lukács advocated for a methodological approach to Marxism, emphasizing the importance of dialectical materialism in uncovering truths about society. Similarly, Žižek introduced a novel perspective on dialectical materialism, focusing on grounding subjectivity in objectivity and questioning traditional views on totality. The overarching theme among these thinkers is the critical evaluation of societal norms and structures, aiming to reveal the underlying processes that govern human consciousness and social relations. Despite variations in their interpretations, the goal remains consistent: to unveil the complexities of human existence and challenge conventional ideologies. Stalin, Mao Zedong, and Ho Chi Minh all contributed varied interpretations of dialectical materialism in the 20th century. Stalin's version was endorsed as the official Soviet interpretation of Marxism, while Mao Zedong incorporated Engels's laws of dialectics into his own version. Ho Chi Minh emphasized the balance between old and new elements in societal development. Beyond political realms, dialectical materialism influenced scientific disciplines in the Soviet Union, prompting a mix of perspectives among scholars. Evolutionary biologists like Lewontin and Gould adopted dialectical materialism as a heuristic approach, not a definitive solution. They viewed it as a means to avoid narrow thinking and dogmatism, emphasizing the importance of historical context and addressing real-world complexities. The heuristic application extended to fields like punctuated equilibrium theory in biology, where concepts like transformation of quantity into quality found relevance. In China, the clash between cosmology research and dialectical materialism during the Cultural Revolution underscored the political risks associated with studying theories that challenged official philosophical doctrines. Later, the acceptance of new cosmological research marked a shift in academic perspectives. Philosophical evaluations by Wood, von Mises, and Kołakowski offered diverse critiques of dialectical materialism, highlighting its limitations and philosophical inconsistencies as an official doctrine. Conversely, there were Marxist scholars like Jordan, Holloway, and Kołakowski who questioned the alignment of dialectical materialism with true Marxist principles, suggesting a broader interpretation beyond the traditional label.